Hello again. If you're anything like me, you may find it beneficial to draw a single card on a daily basis as a means to bring focus to your day. And for me personally, it gives me something to meditate upon. Now, for me, today's card is the High Priestess. Now, when I first started doing tarot, I was advised that if I wanted to do a daily card draw, it would be worth actually carrying the card round in my pocket so that I could refer to it and focus on it throughout the course of my day. Now, great though that is, I don't think that's very practical. I don't want to damage my deck. I don't want to crease my cards. So there's a simple solution. Most of us have got smartphones these days, so if you pick your card in the morning, photograph your card on your smartphone and set it as your desktop wallpaper for the day. And every time you come to access your device, the tarot's wisdom is going to be there for you. And the card is going to be there for you to meditate on. The simplest of tips, but believe me, it's really, really helpful.